Welcome back everyone. I hope you found the last video helpful, and today we're going to learn about HTML elements. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell button to get notifications when I upload a video. What's an HTML element? It's defined by a starting tag. If the element contains other content, it includes a closing tag, where the element name is preceded by a forward slash. Let's see a few examples here. Okay, let's see paragraph element. This is a paragraph content. Here we can see P is an opening tag, and here is a closing tag, and this is a content. This whole together is called an HTML. So, HTML document consists of a tree of these elements, and they specify how documents should be built and what kind of content should be placed in one part of an HTML document. There are an HTML element called nested elements. You can put the elements inside other elements too. This is called nesting. You do, however, need to make sure that your elements are properly nested. Let's see an example here. If you want to make a specific part of our paragraph italic, let's use an element and italic. Okay, let's save this and let's see. Here it's changed. Okay, here the font is changed to italic. So in this example, we opened the P element first, then the I element. Therefore, we have to close the I element first, then the P element. The element have to open and close correctly, so that they are clearly inside or outside one another. If they overlap, then the browser will try to make the best guess at what you are trying to say, which can lead to unexpected results. So don't do it. And if you want to make specific parts of our heading underlined, we use U element and we use nesting. Let's see. This is underlined heading. Let's save this and let's see. Our heading is specific parts of our heading is underlined. So this is all about nested. Let's see about empty or void elements. Some elements have no content and are called empty or void elements. For example, if you take image or break or horizontal, they have no content and they have no closing tag. So they are called void or empty elements. And this is all for today. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.